Hello world, this is David Frazier. Right now I'm actually sitting in my car waiting on the tow truck man to come here. I just had a blowout. I was on my way to go pick my son up from school and all of a sudden, I had a blowout. So what I'm doing right now is waiting on the tow truck to come. Supposedly probably be here like 30, 45 minutes or whatever. Just wanted to cut this video to let you guys know that MCA is real. So when the tow truck come, I'm actually gonna do a little video of that so you actually can see. It's my MCA card. So all I did was call the number that was on the back of his card, gave him my membership number, and they actually sending them out, guys. So if you looking to know if MCA real or not, stay tuned. So yeah, tow truck just arrived. As you can see, he's pulling back right now. So let's see if y'all can see. There you go, right there. For the car. Yo guys, so as you can see, MCA baby, you know what I'm saying? They came out, you know what I'm saying, towed my car. So there it is, you got your proof.
Well, we're moving on up to the side, to a deluxe apartment in the sky. Moving on up to the side.
Alright, so we actually made it to the tire shop now, so I'm gonna put some tires on my car and then it's gonna roll, guys. Hey, more proof, just letting you know. You guys know MCA is the truth, guys. So it's David Frazier. I'm signing off.